Welcome back here, lovelies. Today I'm going to share with you how to make pap ogi. This pap is very healthy for kids and for adults. If your child is a very picky eater, I think you should try this. I will be using millet and guinea corn for this pap as I couldn't get the other corn. I wanted to use 3 different types of grains, but I couldn't find the other white corn, so I went with only millet and guinea corn. First off, I'm washing my millet. Make sure you wash it properly because at times it has so much dirt in it. After washing, I'll go ahead and wash the other corn, which is the guinea corn. Proceed to soak in it. As you can see, this guinea corn has so much dirt. You have to wash it. Like I washed mine for like 4 times before I could get a clear water. So what you saw me removing is bad ones that have settled on top of the water. I have to remove them to get the main corn. Here the 2 grains are properly washed. I put them in my bucket. Make sure you are adding enough water to cover the grain. It has to cover the grains. After that, I will cover the bucket. I will leave this to ferment for 3 good days. I will be changing the water during this time. This is the next day. I'm going to change the water, wash for like 3 times again, and then I will add in enough water just like I did previously, and I will cover for the next day. I couldn't film the next day, which is the day I will be blending this pap. I couldn't film it. So what I did previously is just what you're going to do the day you are going to process this pap. Just take out the first water, wash again, and then start blending it. I will be blending these grains with some coconut. I have washed my coconut, and also I'll be adding in dates. This is to give it natural sweetener. I'm going to proceed to blending this pap. I'm using my blender to blend this pap, although it's not quite easy. As you can see, I'm blending it batch by batch, but if you can get commercial blender to do this, is very much easier. After blending, get a cheesecloth and start sieving the pap. We are going to make sure that the chaff, being the pulp, and the main pap is being separated very well. Doing this, you will be adding water so it can be easier for us to sieve. This is simply how to know that there are no more milky fillings in the pap. Okay, make sure that everything is out. After that, your pulp should look like this. Like this is just the pulp. There are no milk inside. Like there are no pap inside. After sieving it, I covered it up again to rest for 6 good hours so that the main pap will rest in the bottom while I sieve out the water. So after 6 hours, this is me sieving out the water. Make sure you are sieving only the water that have settled on top, leaving the pap that have settled at the bottom. Make sure you are not going to waste your pap at this point. After taking out the excess water, this is what we have. As you can see, this is our pap. It has not ended here. We are still going to take out the excess water in the pap. So to do that, get a pillowcase, a clean one, a new one, okay? Pour that in. I've been using this pillowcase for a very long time now, so I don't need new one unless this one has gotten spoiled. Try as much as you can to get rid of excess air in the bag, and then tie it very well, because we're going to place a heavy object on it to help us get rid of the excess water in the pap as much as possible. Here I placed it on a chopping board. I used 2 chopping boards to do this. Then I placed a heavy pot filled with water on it, and I left it for the next day. This is the next day. The water has gone out. What we're having here is the main pap. I'm going to show you how to make this pap for your kids and yourself, your family as a whole too. So sit back and watch the rest of the video. First, I'm going to pack this pap using my Ziploc bag. Sorry, I'm going to store it using my Ziploc bag. After that, I'll be putting them in my freezer. Here is how we are going to make this pap. Take some of the pap and adding a little water. This should be the consistency. Add a little water. While doing this, your water is boiling already on the stove. So when your butter must have boiled, please don't add in the hot water immediately. Wait for like 10 seconds and then you make your pap just this way, pouring water gradually to make sure the pap is properly done. So my loves, this is our pap. So demure. My kids loved it. My husband couldn't get enough of this pap. Are you going to give it a try? Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. You can make use of liquid milk. I use powdered milk because it is what I have. So my lovelies, we enjoyed this pap with akara. For my white subscribers, it is called bean cake in English, where we call it akara. Thank you, my loves. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.